Hi guys, I have a really good case for you today. A beautiful young patient. She's going to be getting, I'm going to be doing filler in her cheeks to add a little bit of volume, give her a little bit of support, as well as some filler to the tear troughs, a little bit of volume in her chin, and probably a small amount of filler around her mouth just to treat some laugh lines and to lift up maybe the corner of the lips there, corner of the mouth. So all around a beautiful full face treatment. She's had this treatment before and we're just kind of maintaining the result.
Dr. Patel, what's the importance of the massage post-filler treatment?
You know, fillers are supposed to integrate into the tissue and we try to use products that will do that. Just massaging allows me to kind of expedite that integration, make sure there's no basically bumps where I injected the fillers, and that the patients don't really feel the product. So I'm just trying to spread it out, make sure it's exactly where I want it to be and it's not clumped together. So that's the treatment, guys. What I did, just to summarize, is I put a little bit of Restylane lift into the medial cheek as well as the lateral cheek. I put some Restylane into her under eyes. I put a little bit of Restylane into her left piriform and left nasolabial fold, since that is deeper than the right. And then I put a little bit of Restylane into her chin and at the corners of the mouth and the beginnings of the marionette line. So full face, almost full face treatment on a beautiful patient, a really easy patient, and I just want to thank her for allowing us to videotape.
All right, so pain-wise, how was
It
it?
wasn't bad at all, at all. He has a great hand and it was super easy and I really didn't feel any pain at all.
Good.